Okay, let's try. With the new kit, we'll just change mixture screw and idle jet. Everything else we will leave as is. And see, are we getting somewhere? Let's go. Here we will put new idle jet. Okay. We will not use the new seats, so we have the new needle and the new seat. We will just return everything. Let's try. All four. It's still working rough. Way better. Moment of truth. Yeah. Let's test it. So I'm driving home, but needs to comment what we just saw. So at the end, it was fucking idle jet. That was the problem, and that just said that you need to take, carburetor kits and simply change everything when you're removing the carbs, and don't be cheap bastard as I am. So but one thing that I learned from this, and this is so great when you're troubleshooting something, is that you always learn something. And what I learned from this is that there is on internet those curves when the main jet is start to act compared to the RPMs that you have on bike. And what I learned is that idle jet is very crucial even in high RPMs, and that curves show that. But all the way I was thinking that if there is a problem with the idle jet, then when I raise up the RPMs it should start to work, but it's not. So you need your idle circle even on high RPMs. That is the moral of the story here. So yeah, but we did it.